So at 11 a.m., Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Vice President, has made a brief intervention in the Lok Sabha where he has raised the issue of farmers and the crop damage. Let's go across to Brijesh Pandey joining us with all the latest. Brijesh, this intervention basically means that the Congress wants to make its, at least for the perception's sake, its intentions very clear. It wants to talk about farmers. It wants to talk about crop damage.
Well, absolutely. I think the strategy of the Congress is that that it wants to convey to the people that it is very concerned about the kind of crop damage which has suffered because of unseasonal rain, portraying it as a pro-farmer, pro-poor party. Because otherwise the BJP is all geared up as it has given a calling attention notice in the Rajya Sabha to discuss what Ghulam Nabi Azad had said during a function of comparing ISIS with RSS and so to counter that strategy, I think the Congress Vice President has raised this particular issue, made a brief intervention in the Lok Sabha. Sanket?
That's right, Brijesh, but what about the other issues at this moment? Because we've been reporting all through the morning that as far as the Congress and the BJP are concerned, they're going to lock horns on several issues. Number one, Rahul Gandhi's citizenship. The Ethics Committee has sent him a notice. You yourself have interviewed Arjun Ram Meghwal, where he has said a number of things, completely discharging this whole accusation of political vendetta. There are several other issues. Do you think that this is an attempt on the part of Rahul Gandhi to strike a conciliatory note with the farmers so that all these issues go away?
Well, it is just an attempt to be, completely different given the kind of political maze which we are witnessing since morning. Because, the Congress will definitely not take the issue lying down or the fact that, that the Ethics Committee of the Parliament has sent notice. When I asked Arjun Meghwal specifically that, how can you rebut the Congress charges? Because remember, Sanket, the issue was raised first by Subramaniam Swamy and then later on by Mahesh Giri in the Lok Sabha, after which the Speaker referred this matter to the Ethics Committee of Parliament. So it's very clear that it was BJP MP who raised this issue and therefore it was referred to Ethics Committee and then a notice was sent to Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress will definitely not let go of this opportunity. They will definitely attack the BJP and what they already are calling is an example of petty politics and political vendetta as far as the BJP is concerned.
Absolutely.
The fallout, Sanket, would be that the fate of GST will post this new development will continue to hang in balance.
Absolutely. Brijesh, thanks very much for joining us. Some breaking news coming in. BJP MP Arjun Ram Meghwal has said that there is no political vendetta in the controversy surrounding Rahul Gandhi's nationality. He said the issue was forwarded by the Speaker after Rahul Gandhi filled up his nationality as British in a form. He questioned rhetorically if it was the BJP who filled the form.
I have with me Arjun Meghwal, BJP MP and member of Ethics Committee of Parliament. Sir, Ethics Committee ने एक लेटर भेजा है जिसमें राहुल गांधी की नागरिकता पे सवाल उठाई है. क्या मामला था और क्यों?
Ethics Committee has issued a so-called notice to Mr. Rahul Gandhi in which circumstances you have filled the form that I am a citizen of UK. The notice has issued by the Ethics Committee. The moment we receive the notice, Ethics Committee will sit and take action accordingly.
But Congress is saying that a low-level politics petty politics is being played by the BJP.
It is not the issue. The form filled by the Rahul Gandhi himself, not by the BJP.
But sir, Subramaniam Swamy was the first one who raised this thing.
Yes,
Mahesh Giri, both BJP MPs are raising it. So there is some merit in what the Congress is saying.
No, that is not the merit. The any member can complain to the Speaker. Speaker has sent a total document to the Ethics Committee, and the Ethics Committee has took a decision that first we issue a so-called notice. But it is not a politics.
But despite the BJP members raising it, you consider there is no politics.
It is a matter of the conduct.
This was Arjun Meghwal with camera person Shakil Ahmed, Brijesh Pandey for India Today.
जो व्यक्ति पैदाइशी हिंदुस्तान के हैं, उनके पिता, उनकी दादी प्रधानमंत्री रही हैं, क्या वो किसी और देश के नागरिक हो सकते हैं? ये बिल्कुल एक ऐसी बात है जिसको कि एथिक्स कमेटी को पहली मीटिंग में समाप्त कर देना चाहिए.
Well, this is perhaps the biggest makeover for the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh till date. Loose-fitting, flappy khaki knickers have made way for brown trousers to help the organization achieve resolution.
पैसे वाले बाबू मेरा बजट बना दो, पैसे वाले बाबू मेरा बजट बना दो, बजट बना दो, बजट बना दो, पैसे वाले मेरा बजट तू बना